The Insta360 X4 is already an impressive 360-degree action camera, packing 8K video recording, a lightweight build, and AI-powered editing features. It's one of the best in its class, making it hard to imagine what could be improved. But no matter how polished a product seems, there's always room for growth. While the Insta360 X5 hasn't been officially announced, it's only natural to start speculating about what its successor might bring to the table. With competitors like GoPro and DJI consistently pushing the limits of action camera technology, Insta360 will need to step up its game. Here are 5 features we'd love to see in the X5. The Insta360 X4 features a 0.5-inch sensor, capable of capturing 72 megapixel in 360-degree mode and 18 megapixel in directional shooting. That's already impressive, but increasing the sensor size to 1 inch could make a big difference. A larger sensor would improve low light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity. The X3 and X4 both use the same sensor, so an upgrade feels overdue. With better light gathering capabilities, the X5 could deliver sharper, more detailed footage, making it even more appealing for professional and casual users alike. A larger sensor wouldn't just benefit still images, but also video quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. A 1-inch sensor could help reduce noise in low light environments and allow for better background separation in shots. This would be particularly useful for creators who rely on Insta360 for vlogging, action sports, and cinematic storytelling. If Insta360 integrates a higher quality sensor while maintaining the compact form factor, the X5 could be a major leap forward in the 360 camera space. Audio has always been a challenge for action cameras. The X4 includes voice control features, meaning its microphone is decent, but there's still a lot of room for improvement. GoPro has recently made strides in audio quality, and with AI-driven noise reduction becoming standard in smartphones, it's time for Insta360 to follow suit. If the X5 could incorporate advanced wind reduction and clearer voice capture, it would be a game changer for vloggers and outdoor adventurers who rely on built-in audio. The biggest issue with action camera microphones is that they struggle to isolate voices from background noise. Whether it's wind interference, rushing water, or vehicle engines, these factors can impact audio clarity. Insta360 could implement AI-based noise reduction, similar to what smartphones are doing, filtering out background noise and enhancing vocal clarity. Additionally, adding support for higher quality external microphones through Bluetooth or a dedicated mic input would give users more flexibility in capturing professional-grade sound. One of the biggest concerns with 360-degree cameras is lens protection. The X4 introduced removable lens guards, which was a step in the right direction. However, the rounded lenses still protrude from the body, making them vulnerable to scratches and scuffs. Replacing a damaged lens can be costly and complicated, so improving durability should be a priority. Whether it's a stronger material, a more effective protective coating, or a new lens cover design, any enhancement in this area would be welcome. Given how action cameras are often used in rugged conditions, whether strapped to a helmet, mounted on a bike, or attached to a surfboard, lens protection is crucial. Insta360 could explore using impact-resistant coatings, self-healing materials, or even retractable lens covers to add an extra layer of security. A more durable lens system would make the X5 more appealing to extreme sports enthusiasts and filmmakers who push their gear to the limit. GoPro's decision to bring back GPS tracking in the Hero 13 was a smart move, and it's something we'd love to see in the Insta360 X5. Having location data embedded in your videos and photos might seem like a small feature, but it adds a lot of value, especially for travelers, hikers, and sports enthusiasts. Knowing exactly where a shot was taken can help map out adventures or relive memories later. Given that even budget smartphones include GPS tagging, it's surprising that Insta360 hasn't adopted it yet. The X5 would benefit from finally integrating this feature. GPS tracking would also open the door for additional creative features, such as location-based overlays, speed tracking, and route mapping. For action sports enthusiasts, integrating GPS with telemetry data, like altitude, speed, and direction, could make for more immersive video storytelling. If Insta360 wants to appeal to the adventure crowd, this is a feature it should seriously consider. Battery life is always a concern with high-performance cameras, and the X4, while decent, could still use some improvements. The X5 should aim for longer recording times, whether through a larger battery or better power efficiency. But battery life isn't the only issue. Overheating is another challenge. Action cameras often struggle with heat buildup, especially when recording in high resolutions for extended periods. The GoPro Hero 13 was redesigned with better cooling, and it would be great to see Insta360 do the same. A more efficient heat dissipation system could prevent shutdowns and extend the camera's lifespan. A larger battery would allow users to capture more footage without constantly swapping out power sources. But efficient energy management is just as important. If Insta360 can implement an improved processor with better power efficiency, the X5 could offer significantly longer recording times. Heat management is also critical, as overheating can cut sessions short. A more advanced cooling system, such as better heat sinks, internal ventilation, or even active cooling, could help keep the camera running smoothly during long shoots. The Insta360 X4 set a high standard for 360-degree action cameras, but there's always room for innovation. A larger sensor, improved audio, better lens protection, GPS tracking, and enhanced battery life would make the Insta360 X5 a worthy upgrade. With competitors like GoPro pushing boundaries, Insta360 has an opportunity to refine its already excellent design. If the X5 includes even a few of these upgrades, it could cement its place as one of the best action cameras on the market. While these features are purely speculative at this point, they represent the most practical and impactful improvements Insta360 could make. The 360 camera market is evolving quickly, and staying ahead means constantly improving upon what came before. If the X5 can offer meaningful advancements in image quality, usability, and durability, it will be an easy recommendation for both professionals and casual users alike. So what do you think? Are you looking forward to the upcoming Insta360 X5 action camera? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.